Recently, people have been talking about a problem with the screens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra phone. Some users are noticing that the screens look grainy, especially when showing dark colors. Even though Samsung has tried to fix this issue with updates, it's still there. They've suggested turning up the brightness as a temporary solution, but users want to know exactly why this problem is happening and how it will be fixed. There's also another issue called My DBAC K that people are talking about on social media. Some users are understanding about these problems because they know that launching a new product can sometimes come with challenges. Instead of just complaining, some users are trying to figure out what's causing these issues and how to solve them. One person who pre-ordered the Galaxy S24 Ultra back in January has been waiting eagerly for it to arrive. They went to physical stores to see if they could notice a screen problem themselves. They found that some display models had less graininess, especially the ones that had been on all day playing videos. This suggests that the issue might get better over time as the screens get used more. Overall, while some users are experiencing problems with the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen, there's hope that it might improve with time. Factors like the screen getting used to being turned on and off and how people get used to it might make the screen look better. Samsung needs to keep listening to feedback from users and working to make sure everyone is happy with their phone. In conclusion, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra has encountered some screen issues, there's optimism for improvement over time. Users are encouraged to share their experiences and continue providing feedback to Samsung. With ongoing monitoring and responsiveness, we can work together towards a satisfactory resolution. Remember to stay engaged, stay informed, and stay connected. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.